Hello guys, this is Girish and welcome to Giri's Smart Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a different option pertaining to the usage of dock in the Mac. Dock in fact is a great way to quickly access the frequent required apps, files, folders and many more instead of accessing them by navigating through in the Finder. So let me walk you through the different options possible with dock and also some exciting customizations to dock using terminal commands. Therefore, please watch this video completely. Let's get started. To add a new app into the dock, just select the app in the application folder and drag and drop it on the dock. To remove an app from the dock, right click on the app on the dock and go to options and just select remove from dock. Please note that removing the app from dock will just remove it there and not completely from the computer. The near to the middle section of the dock shows up recently used apps. So if you want to keep them permanently on dock, just right click on that app and go to options and select keep in dock. You can keep your favorite folders too on dock. To do that, just drag and drop the folder next to the bin on the dock so that your favorite folders are directly accessible to the dock. You can rearrange the placement of apps or files on dock by dragging and dropping from one area to another. Access dock and menu bar under system preferences to modify multiple dock related options, like we can adjust the dock size by using the slider, enable the magnification and use the slider to magnify the dock icons when you hover the cursor on dock bar. You can position the dock either at the bottom or at the left or the right using this option. You can use the minimize window option either to have the genie effect or the scale effect. Genie effect, the scale effect. Next option is double click a Windows title bar either to zoom or to minimize. So if you choose to zoom, when you double click it will be zoom like this, and if you choose to minimize, when you double click it will get minimized to the dock. Next option is to minimize windows into respective application on dock instead of getting minimized as a separate icon on the extreme right section of the dock. So when this option is ticked and if I go minimize the Google app, it goes into Google app icon on dock. And when this option is disabled and if I minimize the Google app, it gets minimized as a separate window at the extreme right side of the dock. To automatically hide and show the dock. So if you choose to enable this option, the dock is hidden by default. Bring the cursor down so that dock appears and move away the cursor up will hide the dock again. The next option is to show the indicators of open apps and show the recent app on the dock. Let's move on to some advanced options using the terminal commands so that we can further customize the dock. To open the terminal window, just go to Spotlight Search and type terminal. By the way, I have made a separate video on the different usage of Spotlight Search in Mac. I will provide the link to that video in the description below. Back to dock customization options. First one is we can group the set of related apps on dock by adding space between the apps. For example, I want to add a space after first 3 apps to separate them out from the rest. So to add the space, in the terminal window, copy and paste this command and hit enter. The dock will respring and you will be able to see a space added at the middle. Just repeat this command in terminal as many times as you want, so to add the empty spaces on dock. Once the spaces are created, just drag and drop at the required location. If you want to remove these spaces, just right click on the empty space and choose remove from dock. Next customization option is, in case if you want to keep only active apps in the dock, we just need to execute this command in terminal. Copy the command. Once we run it, the dock resprings and shows only active apps. If you want to reset the dock to its default, then use the next command. Here is a word of caution. If you have already arranged apps in dock and grouped it in a certain way and you don't want to lose that, then it is highly advised not to use the active app or reset dock command that I just explained before, since it may take a lot of time for you to bring those dock arrangement back again. Our next customization option is very interesting. Having multiple windows open in Mac can be very messy and is difficult to identify the required applications. So to overcome this problem, we can have only one window open at one time using the next command. Once this command is run, when we have one window open, and if you open the another window, then the previous window will automatically gets closed. That way the desktop appears to be much tidier. Though this option looks exciting, it certainly has its own drawback. For example, to copy paste the terminal command, I cannot have both the word and terminal window open together. So to return back to the original state, copy paste this command into the terminal window and hit enter. Now the multiple windows are open together on the desktop. There are still few other dock customization possible using terminal, but they are not very exciting and they are too technical as well. Please let me know which one of these options you found interesting. Also, if you have liked this video, then please click on like button and hit the bell icon. Please share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.